Let's start this week's mega quiz Q&A. Question number 1. Which part of the plant is responsible for making its food? Answer is leaf. Question 2. What is the hardest natural substance found on earth? Answer diamond. Question 3. Which part of the human body produces the hormone insulin? Answer pancreas. Question 4. What is the name of India's heavy lift rocket often called Bahubali? Answer is GSLV Mk3. Question 5. Which vitamin is produced in the human body when exposed to sunlight? Answer is vitamin D. Question 6. Who was the first Governor General of independent India? Answer is Lord Mountbatten. Question 7. In which city did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place in 1919? Answer is Amritsar. Question 8. Who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? Answer Chandragupta Maurya. Question 9. Who wrote the famous book Discovery of India? Answer Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 10. Who was the first woman ruler of Delhi Sultanate? Answer Rajia Sultan. Question 11. Which Indian state is known as the land of the rising sun? Answer Arunachal Pradesh. Question 12. Which is the largest saltwater lake in India? Answer Chilika Lake. Question 13. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? Answer Kosi River. Question 14. Which longitude is the standard meridian of India? Answer 82 degree 30 minute east. Question 15. What is the name of the highest waterfall in India? Answer Kunchikal Falls. Question 16. Who is known as the chief architect of the Indian Constitution? Answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question 17. What is the minimum age required to become the President of India? Answer 35 years. Question 18. Which article of the Constitution is the heart and soul of the Constitution? Answer Article 32. Question 19. Who is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Answer the Vice President. Question 20. Which schedule of the Constitution contains the list of official languages? Answer 8th schedule. Question 21. On which date is National Youth Day celebrated in India? Answer January 12th. Question 22. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? Answer Rabindranath Tagore. Question 23. Which is the highest gallantry award in India? Answer Paramveer Chakra. Question 24. National Teachers Day in India is celebrated on which date? Answer September 5th. Question 25. The Dada Saheb Phalke Award is given in which field? Answer Cinema. Question 26. Which organization in India calculates the GDP? Answer National Statistical Office. Question 27. In which year was the Reserve Bank of India established? Answer 1935. Question 28. Which sector is the largest contributor to India's GDP? Answer services sector. Question 29. Which bank is known as the Bankers Bank in India? Answer RBI. Question 30. Which is the oldest stock exchange in Asia? Answer Bombay Stock Exchange.